How to create WhatsApp call link. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to create WhatsApp call link. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on this call section. This call section, tap on it. So tap on this create call link. So by tapping on this create call link, as you can see here, it says anyone with WhatsApp can use this link to join this call. Only share it with people you trust. So all you have to do is just tap on this share via WhatsApp, or copy the link, or just share. All you have to do is, here is your WhatsApp link. All you have to do is just choose one of these options to share your WhatsApp link. So tap on this share via WhatsApp. So now you can choose the person that you want to share the link with them, so to make the call with them. Let's say I want to share the message with this person. Tap on it. So here is the call link. Tap on it, send. That's it, guys. If the person now just tap on this join call, he can call me to make a call with him. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.